Today we are going to discuss some common myths about getting the scholarships. 1. Only academic stars win scholarships. It is a misconception that only top-ranking students get scholarships. Scholarships are not just awarded for academic merit but also for excelling in sports, the performing arts, or for displaying an act of valor or courage. Some institutions also offer monetary support to students who are victims of war crimes or belonging to various less developed countries. 2. Heavy competition minimizes my chances of winning a scholarship. It is true that competition is fierce, but that does not mean your application is immediately rejected. The best option is to apply to all those scholarships whose eligibility requirements are met by you. 3. I am an academic star, I will easily secure a scholarship. Remember the old saying, pride goeth before a fall. Being a top-notch student helps but does not automatically ensure that you will win a coveted scholarship. Remember that there will be many other students who are academically better than you, who would have applied for the same scholarship. So remain humble and apply to all relevant scholarships. 4. Applying for a loan lessens my chances of securing a college scholarship. Parents often assume incorrectly that if their children get study loans, colleges will reduce any scholarship money that might have been awarded. Each institution has its own policy towards the dispersal of scholarships, so please remember to read all relevant information before applying for a specific scholarship. In most cases, a bank loan does not impact the scholarship amount offered by an institution. 5. Scholarship applicants require exceptional talent. Try and be honest with yourself when it comes to your talent, skill or expertise, which will dictate any scholarship you are applying to. While you may excel in a certain area within your small community or group of friends, you have to be excellent to compete with others from around the country/world. Whether or not you have doubts about your abilities, always practice and try to improve them.